Welcome all of you to SBS online classes. This is mathematics class for standard 12 and topic or chapter is matrices. Clear? So first we will discuss about what is the uses of matrix. Clear? Matrix used as representation or matrices used as representation of the coefficients in system on linear education. Matrix operations are used in electronic spreadsheet, program for PC, cost estimation, etc. Clear? Now take an example. Suppose Radha has 15 notebooks and 6 pens. Fauzia has 10 notebooks and 2 pens. Simran has 13 notebooks and 5 pens. Clear? Now we can write these in matrix form or in tabular form. Okay? So if we are writing here Radha, this is one line, Fauzia, this is another line, and Simran, this is another line. Clear? And here if we are writing, this is the line for pen, this is the line for notebook, and this is the line for pen. Clear? Now Radha has 15 notebooks, 6 pen. Here write 15 and here 6. Fauzia has 10 notebook and 2 pens. 10, 2. And Simran has 13 notebook, 5 pens. 13, 5. Clear? If we are writing within a braces, the digit within a braces, 10, 2, 13, 5, like this, like within a square bracket, this is known as matrix. So we can give a name of this matrix. Let A is the name of this matrix. Now these 15, 6, 10, 2, 13 and 5 are known as elements. 15, 6, 10, 2, 13, 5 are known as elements and represented by small a. Small a. These are the elements. Okay. Now the horizontal line are known as rows and the vertical lines are known as columns. Clear? Horizontal line are known as rows and vertical line are known as column. So here 3 rows are there in a matrix. This is first row, this is second row, and this is third row. And 2 columns are there. This is first column and this is second column. Clear? Now order of a matrix. What is order of a matrix? If a matrix has m number of rows and n number of columns, that is called that is called a matrix of m cross n, of m cross n. Always first letter or first digit represents row and second digit or second letter represents column. Clear? Let this is a matrix. Let here we are taking a matrix. A matrix is equal to A11, A12, A13 up to A1n, A21, A22, A23 up to A2n, AM1, AM2, AM3 up to AMN. See, this is a M cross matrix, means there are M number of rows. This is first row, this is second row, this is third row. Okay, sorry, this is third row and this is mth row. This is mth row. Okay, second row, first row, and this is your first column, second column, third column, and nth column. Clear? So there are m number of rows and n number of columns. So here A11, A12, A13, these are the elements. Already I have told you that these are the elements. So first element is A11. See here, A11 means first letter denotes row and second letter denotes column. So A11 means the element of first row with first column is known as A11. This is A12. The element of first row and second column. This is first row and this is second column. This is A13. Element of first row with third column and so on. This is A21 means element of second row with first column. This is second row and first column. A22 second row, second column. A23 second row, third column and so on. This is exactly AM1 means mth row, first column. AM2 means mth row, second column. Exactly AMN means mth row, element of mth row with nth column. So there are m number of rows and n number of columns. So this matrix is known as an m cross n matrix. Here we can write A is equal to small aij with m cross n. Small aij means elements of ij means ith row with jth column. This is an element of ith row with jth column. M cross n means this is m number of rows and n number of columns. Okay. Suppose a matrix is given by A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 2, 4. So in this matrix, there are two number of rows. This is first row, this is second row, and there are four number of columns. This is first column, second column, third column, fourth column. This is first row, this is second row. So this is a 2 cross 4 matrix. This A matrix is a 2 cross 4 matrix. So here 2 number of rows are there and 4 number of columns are there. So here A11 is A1, A11 is equal to 1, element of first row with first column. A12 is 2, A12 is equal to 2 means element of first row with second column. A13 is equal to 5, A13 is equal to 5, element of first row with third column. A14 is equal to 8, element of first row with fourth column. Exactly A21 is equal to 3, element of second row with first column. A22 is equal to 6, element of second row with second column. A23 is equal to 2, element of second row with third column. A24 is equal to 4, element of second row with fourth column. Clear? Now types of matrix. Okay, there are many types of matrix. So first one is column matrix. So column matrix, what is a column matrix? Now a matrix is said to be a column matrix. A matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column. Okay, example we may take. Example is equal to, let A matrix is equal to 2, 1, 5. Okay, this is a column matrix of 3 cross 1 order, of order 3 cross 1, because there are 3 number of rows and 1 number of column. So any matrix having only one column, that is known as column matrix. Then come to row matrix. What is row matrix? A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it is only one row. Okay, example, let B is a matrix that is equal to 2 1 6 8. Here 4 elements are there. Here this is a 1 cross 4 matrix because only one row is there and 4 number of columns are there. This is a 1 cross 4 matrix. So any matrix having only one row, that is a row matrix. Then square matrix. Okay, so a matrix is said to be a square matrix. A matrix is said to be a square matrix if the number of rows are equal to number of column. Okay, let us example, that is, let M is a matrix of 1 2 6 3. Okay, this is a here number of rows are 2, first or second, and number of column are also 2, first or second. So this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So any matrix having same number of rows and column are known as square matrix. We can take another example, that is 1 2 4 3 6 8 9 3 2. Here this is a 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 cross 3, because here number of rows are 3 and number of column are also 3. So any matrix having equal number of rows and column are known as square matrix. Then diagonal matrix. Now what is diagonal matrix? Now diagonal matrix is a square matrix. Okay, so a square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0. Let us take an example. A is equal to 1 0 0 2. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. This is known as diagonal. Okay, and these are known as non-diagonal. So here non-diagonal elements are 0. So this is a diagonal matrix. So this is a square matrix having non-diagonal elements 0. So this is a diagonal matrix. See here, this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. This is also a square matrix of 3 cross 3. So this is the diagonal. This is the diagonal elements and these are the non-diagonal elements. These non-diagonal elements are 0. Any square matrix with non-diagonal elements are 0 is known as a diagonal matrix. Here the elements, there will be some value in the element, diagonal elements. Clear? Then scalar matrix. Now what is scalar matrix? It is a diagonal matrix having same value in the diagonal. It is a diagonal matrix having same value in diagonal. Okay, we may take an example, that is A is equal to 2 0 0 2. Here the diagonal elements are 2 2 are same. Or we can take B is equal to 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. Okay, here the diagonal elements are same, are 3. So this is known as a scalar matrix. Then come to identity matrix. Now what is identity matrix? Now it is a diagonal matrix with the diagonal elements are 1. Okay, it is a diagonal matrix with element 1 only. Okay, so any matrix diagonal means this is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. The elements are, there should be elements in the diagonal matrix and these elements should be 1. So when the elements are 1, that is known as identity matrix, any of a diagonal matrix. Clear? Then zero matrix. if all the elements of a matrix are 0 are known as zero matrix. Let A is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is a 2 cross 3 matrix having all the elements are 0. So this is a zero matrix. Clear? We will discuss more about matrix in our next class. Okay, thank you.